In this video, we will show you how to use the list monitoring feature in our Titan Vsaxess desktop software. To begin, go to the top menu and click on Monitor. Then select List Monitoring. In the controller panel on the left, select the controller you want to monitor by checking the box and click on the green square. This will display all doors, inputs, and outputs associated with that controller. If we press the exit button for door 1, you'll see the button icon turn green and the lock will release for a few seconds. This action will also appear in the event list as exit button press and exit button release. If we swipe a legal card at the reader for door 1, the reader icon will turn green and the lock will release for a few seconds. The event will be logged in the event list as legal card along with details such as the card number, employee name or number, time, controller, door, and reader. Then if we swipe in a legal card at the reader for door 1, the reader icon will turn red and the event will be listed as illegal card, also showing the card number, employee name or number, time, controller, door, and reader. Now let's go to door 2. Right-click on it and select Open Door. The lock will release for a few seconds and the output circle will turn red, indicating that door 2 has opened. For door 3, right-click on it and choose Force Open. The lock will release and door 3 will remain open. The output circle will turn red, signaling that the door is being held open. To close door 3, right-click on it and select Cancel Force State, and the door will close. Moving on to door 4, right-click on it and choose Force Close to keep the door closed. To allow door 4 to open again, right-click on it and select Cancel Force State so the door will no longer be forced to stay closed. To stop monitoring, click the red square under Controller and then click OK.